What is good, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video. I want to first say that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. Anyways, I want to make an emergency video about Tesla because something very big is happening. We're seeing all this talk about Tesla falling, BYD is following. There's talking about all this stuff that's going on in China. We're seeing all these headlines about how Tesla's their sales are declining and this and that, and the share price is just continuing to sink. They're using this data as an excuse to really drop Tesla hard, and it's continuing to fall to some very dangerous levels. So, with that being said, the EV sales have decreased 19% in February. As you guys know, Chinese New Year played a big role, but don't forget that this also impacted BYD, Li Auto, Neo, Xpeng, all of them saw big declines in their sales in China for February. And, it's also affecting Tesla. So here's what's happening to Tesla. Make sure you guys watch 190 as support, as resistance, excuse me. 190 is going to be our resistance. This is where we had this previous support becoming resistance. Then we have 192 above that. If we continue to decline, our next, so we have a little very minor pocket of support at 189.25. If we lose this, watch 188 on Tesla. That's where we have this chop zone. And if we lose that, if we lose 188, there is a risk of an even bigger drop down to 184. So be very careful, guys. Tesla's looking very weak. I do want to note that I think that a lot of the very aggressive selling happened from 200 all the way down to 192. The sell off is not as like fast, not as aggressive like once we're at this level, but it still can sell off, but just not as like quickly, not as fast in a short period of time as like this big bar right here. So that means it might not go all the way down to like the low 180s that fast. Now we're going to see some bars try to defend it, get it back up. We're going to see some choppy price action too here and there. But overall, there is this big decline. I still want to warn you about that we could still see Tesla decline more. So please be very careful. I want to also see close. Can buyers defend Tesla and get back above 190 or not? So be very careful, guys. I want to give you guys this warning. Now, another good piece of news, though, for Tesla is that Tesla's in talks for a factory in Thailand, according to reports. So that's good news for them, as we're seeing Tesla aiming to announce a new factory location at the end of the year. That is some good news, but it's not really enough to offset this. So please be very careful and just know that Tesla is at risk of falling even more. And we'll see how well this could hold up. All right, so be careful, guys. This is happening. I want to give you guys a very important warning. Watch the levels I called out, and we'll see how it goes from here and do what you have to do. All right, thank you for listening. This is a very quick update video for all of you. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon in a couple of hours for the next one. Thanks again, and peace out.